Hi guys, Tongue Twister here, back with another video, and today we are going to be doing something a bit different. So we have our can opener, then we have our empty drink can right here, and so what I'm going to be doing in this video, stay tuned to find out, but I'll tell you a bit of what we're doing. So we are just going to cut a hole there, okay? So you see this? See this? And here we go. There's just, Now, I highly recommend some parent or guardian I can't think of the word. Supervision, yeah. Because the sharp bits kind of cut your fingers. So here we go with the other side of the can. Ready? 3. So guys, when I was cutting this, this kind of fell apart, so just need to put that back together, and then I'll see you when I cut it. Here you go. Now, it's a bit dented because it's a bit of a struggle, but as you can tell by my deep breathing, I actually had to use the scissors on this side because the can opener was slipping, because it's just difficult. So it's razor sharp, literally. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do just a quick transition. Here we are at the car. Here we are at the car with the can. Oh yeah. Okay, so here we are with the can, and we're gonna put it on the exhaust right now. So let's just bring it down. Okay, so here we go. Got to put the can on the exhaust here. Here we go. Okay, here we go, guys. We're gonna put this on right now. So actually, hold on, I need to get a bit of tape. So yeah, let's get some tape. Okay, got a bit of tape on it, as you can see there. So let's just put it over, and this didn't fit the first time, so we needed to make it fit just by cutting a bit off. Okay, so as you can see there, we're just gonna come over here. There we go. Just leave the door open. Whatever. Hold on, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and that tape wasn't strong enough to hold it, so I'm gonna use actual masking tape this time. So I'm gonna put this on and I'll be right back. And here we go. Put some masking tape on that, and here we go. Attempt number 2. What is happening today? Oh, I'll be right back. Then I'll test it, then I'll do it for the video. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna use this really strong tape, and I'm not using it, my dad is. Yeah, T-Rex tape. It's really strong tape, and I'll be right back. There we go. Okay, we just put it on, and I'm gonna actually try it this time.
I think it was a bit sick after a second.
Ooh, that sounds nice. Okay, then. Oh, that sounded good. Now, guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. It was a really good experiment. And subscribe if you like vlogs, and share this video with a friend if you want to. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Like for part 2.